Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payroll data into Gusto using automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gusto account. Navigate to the payroll section in the dashboard. Locate the payroll data import feature. Select the option for automated data transfer. Connect your external payroll system by following the prompted steps. Authenticate your account by entering the required credentials. Choose the specific payroll data you wish to transfer. Map your fields from the external system to Gusto's format. Review the data to ensure accuracy. Schedule the frequency of data transfers. Set up notifications for successful or failed transfers. Test the automation with a small batch of data. Confirm that the data appears correctly in Gusto. Make adjustments as needed based on your test results. Once satisfied, activate the automation for full data transfer. Periodically review the automated transfers for accuracy and consistency. Ensure to maintain documentation of the process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.